Alright, so you need a 1/2 inch socket, a 1/2 inch spanner, your ratchet, and a 10mm. You also probably have a stupid cover over the top. I've already taken this one off. To get that off, it's the 4 nuts. They're the 10mm ones. So once you take that off and wrangle it off, then you want to come around and you can undo this one, which is a 10mm. Loosen that, slide this off. Mainly, first of all, you want to disconnect your battery. Then to get this stupid belt thing off, you get a 15mm, you put it onto that, and then you pull towards where the battery is, and it'll loosen it. Now I have to put the phone down because I need both hands for this. So once it's loose, you'll be able to get the belt off. See, like that. So you pull it towards you and it lowers the bar, which is that thing where the spanner's on, little pulley. You pull it like that and it lowers it enough to get the belt off. Okay, once you've got that off, you get your 10mm and you, and you loosen that. Well, you get the idea. You take that off. On the back here you've got your stupid plugs, which looks like it's 12mm or 1/2 inch. No, it's 12mm. So you undo that and pull your cabling off. I think that's all there is. And there's a plug down there. That plug there. There's a little clippy thing at the back there. Don't know if you can see it properly. Down there where the tip of it's on. Push that in and pull the plug off. You undo that one, pull all your wiring off there. That's all you should have to unplug. Okay, now once you've got that off and this bar, then down here, this is where you need the spanner, the 1/2 inch spanner. You put it onto that. And remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you want to undo that. Now this stupid pulley thing gets in the way, but you can lift it up a little bit. And that bolt comes out. Then you've got another one up here, which is your 1/2 inch. Hang on a sec. That one up the top there. You undo that. He'll come right out. Never mind that it says V6 on it, it's all the same. So you get your 10mm again. Where the fuck did I put it? Hang on a sec. Alright, so I found my 10mm. Put it on top of that. Word of advice, undo your electrical bolt first. Which I didn't. That's come out. You just pull that around to the side so it's out of the way. Now give me a sec, I'll find a 12mm. Okay, found me 12mm. And that's why you want to undo it first, because the whole fucking thing moves. Gotta love the commentary. Fuck, hang on, I'm gonna have to put the phone down. Alright, so once you've got that loose, you should be able to undo it. And this just wrangles off like that, and that's that done. Now if you've undone that bolt, the one down there, it will come out like that. And then you can just unclip this. You need both hands, so give me a sec.